Hello, have a nice day to all my beloved families, my customers, my relatives, and to all my beloved neighbors. This is a part of the presentation. Part of the presentation ni mga customer nako sa paghimo nako na 2025 wooden divider. Pagplano na mo mga silingan, mga palangga kong pamilya. Kung pahimo man ako divider, kilipatra, carving doors, simple doors, or carving bead or simple bead, salasits or platera, chat lang kayo. Or please, pagkikita mo na ako sa personal. Ari ako ninyo sa Crossing Pansalagon, tara mabinay. I'm willing to support you. I'm willing to serve you. Thank you for watching, and I hope and I wish you're happy today.